Welcome to Siberia, 47. One of the harshest climates on the planet. Your destination is the privately owned Perm 14 prison facility, located near the freezing Siberian tundra. Here, you're tasked with the elimination of Vitaly Reznikov, warden at the prison, and Roman Kabko, renowned Russian mobster with suspected political ties. Roman Kabko has been a prisoner at Perm 14 for the past decade, but has functioned more as a second-in-command than a prisoner. Now he wants out and has offered Warden Reznikov a bribe to facilitate an early release, scheduled to take place today. Kabko's offer comes at an opportune time for Reznikov, as investigations by the United Nations Human Rights Council are underway. A string of recent news articles has exposed violence and even murder as everyday occurrences in Perm 14. Our client suspects that Kabko's release could cause serious diplomatic issues. Both targets must be eliminated, along with Reznikov's mercenary guards, the Siberian Tigers. Note that the prison's regular guards are not sanctioned targets. Now, a riot is brewing in the prison, which could be used to our advantage. Since our client has asked we eliminate the targets clandestinely, you will need to find a way to set the riot off and use it as a cover for the eliminations. I will leave you to prepare. Very clever, 47. They will not discover the body there. Nice shot. I'm guessing there's a plan in motion here? You're about to be spotted. Nice shot, 47. That should be hidden well enough for the time being. Roman Kabko looks to be violently punishing another prisoner. It's not pretty. Well done, 47. I'm tracking 10 remaining targets. That is Roman Kabko, high-ranking member of the Russian Mafia and about to be released from prison. Out of sight, out of mind. All right, 47. I'm counting 7 remaining targets. 47, it looks like Roman Cabco is getting his dinner served. That is Vitaly Reznikov, corrupt warden here at the Perm 14 prison facility. Good work, 47. We're down to 5 remaining targets. That's Vitaly Reznikov taken care of. Well done, 47. Great work, 47. You are down to just 3 remaining targets. Perfect, 47. That seems to have started the riot. It should help cover our tracks and hide any bodies in the rioting crowd. Excellent work as always, 47. I'm only seeing 1 remaining target. 47, code red. Everyone is evacuating. 47, Roman Cabco is making a run for it. Stop him before he gets away. That's the last target eliminated. Good work as always, 47. The riot should cover our tracks perfectly. I'll wire the money as per usual.